So hi guys, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Moni, and today's video I want to show you how I set my living room chair. I just got a new chair. Like I said in my last video that I'm going to be telling you all about it. We almost got scammed twice. Yes, we ordered for living room chair the first time. It was a fraudulent site. Then the second one too was a fraudulent site. Well, I sort of knew that it was a fraudulent site because of the prices of the chair. They were looking good. They were looking too good to be true. So, but as time goes on, when we didn't receive the chairs, we had to recall back our money. But this particular one, I decided to order from a secured and well-known site, which is Wayfair. They just delivered the chair this morning. I'm super excited. My kids too are also excited that finally, after 3 months, almost 4 months. Yeah, I think it's almost 4 months. After 4 months, we will be having our living room chair. And I quickly want to do this video before my kids get back from school. Right now, they are still at school and they will soon be back. They will be back in about 30 minutes time, and my husband too is also not home. When he gets home, we'll get the chair upstairs. They're still downstairs, and they are very heavy. I can't bring them upstairs alone, so this was the only one I could bring upstairs. This is the only one I could bring upstairs. I thought you had the picture. Yeah. So it's an Ottoman, or what they call it. It looks like something like this. That was here, but this one looks exactly like the chairs we ordered. So it came with the chair. Anyway, so this is the one of the boxes. The other two are very, very big and massive. I just pray and hope the chair is not too big for this living room, because I ordered the smaller version of the big ones. So that is that about that. I quickly want to go back to work now. I'm still working. After work, we'll come and set this up here. And I just quickly wanted to make the video before everywhere get noisy and rowdy. So that is that about that. I will also be taking these chairs away from here. They've done enough work since we got here. So I will catch you guys later when we are about to set up the chairs. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. If you haven't liked this video, please don't watch my video without liking. And if you would love to ask me more questions concerning the living room chairs or anything whatsoever, so guys, I will catch you guys later. Subscribe. Let's unbox our chair. Remove that cup from there. Which one should we open first? This one. So let's open the small one first.
Is it color white or black?
Gray.
Gray?
You guys see what you're eating? Where are you eating?
Can you see that one place? Let's say remove that cup from there. So we are done with arranging of the couch, or will I call it sofa? And this is what it looks like. Does it look beautiful? So guys, this is what the chair looks like. It really came out beautiful, and it looks so sophisticated. I really love the color, and I also love the fabric they use in making the chairs. And it came with a lot of freebies like this ottoman and these 2 throw pillows. And the chair also have 2 cup holders here. So if you're in Canada or you're in US and you would love to buy an affordable, good-looking chairs for your living space without breaking the bank and spending a lot of money, you can check out Wayfair website. They have good and affordable chairs and furnitures in general. So, and you might want to check them out now because they're running a lot of sales on most of their products. So this is what my living space looks like. If you love this, if you enjoy watching this video, please give my video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet a subscriber. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Tomorrow I will dispose the box it came in. This is the only one remaining. I already disposed the other 2, and I will look for who to give this 1-seater chair to. It has really served us well, and I also love the fact that this couch came with an ottoman. You can just put your blanket inside and all that. Okay guys, I would like to call it a day here. It's already 10 p.m. right now, and I would like to go to bed immediately. I'm super tired. So guys, see you guys in my next video.